Natasha, where you ends up? Mandeville to the world and you come so far. Alright, you hear me right here now. You do the things. And I hit the spot. Right there, sir. Aya. Make we hear it. The game is called Screaming Orgasm. Make we hear it, right? Oh, God, Jesus. Lord, let me see what I'm going to do. Come on, baby. Okay, what's your name?
Flavor girl.
Flavor. What side you know? What your name?
Mama Flavor.
Mama Flavor. Alright, Mama Flavor, you are the last contestant. Let's see how you sound when you are approaching that point of no return. Make the sound then. Everybody quiet. Here we go. Yes. Tap in. Yes. Tap in. Yes. Tap in, baby. Yes. Is that coming now? Well, 1 minute. You're ready, I'll get it real quick. You're ready. You're not touching. No, but you did not interrupt the thing. You did not deal with it. Everybody did not deal with it. You're ready to go on with it now? Yes or no? Yes or no? No, but you're not. Yes or no? You ready for doing it now? Yes or no? The whole up there. Talk quick now. You ready? Okay, here we go. All right. Well, congratulations. Thank you for enjoying that. You're not feeling now, yeah? A blessing, thank you. What you said, baby, real quick.
Yeah, you're not here.
All right. Quick.
Well, just like how you get it,
Let me get advice. Let me get advice. So put on the tools, sir. Let me get advice. All right, yeah. Yes, baby. Squeeze it for me. Squeeze it right there, sir. Squeeze it right there, sir. Yeah. Push it up. Yeah. What's my name? Yo, we're going to share the money between 2 and 2 that.